Hi there guys, welcome to Bluehost training part 9. So in this video we are going to talk about how exactly to insert a table of content into your post on your website. So same thing, we are using Bluehost over here, which is integrated with we are using WordPress over here, which is already integrated with Bluehost. So first and foremost, what you need to do is to actually go into plugin on the left, click on add new. Right, there's this free plugin that we need to edit in. So it's very easy. It's called Easy Table of Content. Okay, I just type halfway. Easy Table of Content. All right, so this is the one plugin, all right, that you need to download. As you can see, there's already 300,000 active installation. Now, just remember, whenever you download a plugin, hit the install now button. Then after that, you have to activate the plugin. All right, not just install now and you don't activate. There's no way you can use it. All right, so how exactly to find it? After you have installed it and you have activated it, just go under install plugins. Okay, there are some settings that you need to do. So you see Easy Table of Contents within your list of plugins that you have already installed. Click on Settings. Alright, so I'll just slowly scroll down the page. You can always pause this video at any point in time just to make sure that you're having the right configuration. Okay. So over here you can decide whether you want to show the table of content when you have 2 headings, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 headings. All right, because sometimes 2 might be a little bit short, but for the sake of this demo, I'll just leave it as 2. I will show header text above the table of content, so on and so forth. All right, so I hope you guys are looking at the settings very clearly. After everything is done, click on Save Changes. Okay, now let's go and do up a post and let's see how this table of content will look like. Going to Post, click on Add New. Title, I will just say this is a demo. Okay, now over here, the first line which I put as demonstration. Okay, highlight the text, go under paragraph, click on heading 1. Okay, so let's say you have some other sub-headings within the word demonstration. You can, for example, put some text over here, then you can put down there pricing. So let's say pricing is a sub set of this demonstration. I'm going to choose heading 2 then. Okay, some text, then I'll put down there features. Alright, then also I'll choose subheading 2, assuming features is part of the demonstration. Alright, then after that you scroll down. This is the rank map SEO, which we explained in one of the previous videos. Okay, now this is where your table of content is. Just click on all these. Generally, I'll just click on everything. Alright, done. So what you need to do now is to hit the publish button and let's see how the exact page will look like in the website. Okay, let's see. Let's finish the publication first. Okay, now it's done. So click on this thing over here called View Post. Now you can see the table of content is automatically being populated. You can choose to collapse it and you can choose to expand it. So if I go under Features, it will bring me straight to the Features column. Okay. This is how simple it is to create a table of content in your website. Nothing to fret about. See you guys in the next video and take care.